Hi, my name is Ari Good. I'm a tax attorney. I'd like to welcome you to beautiful Naples, Florida, where I have my main office in addition to my remote offices in Fort Lauderdale and Miami, Florida. The purpose of this video is I'd like to take the opportunity to introduce myself a little bit and give you some of my philosophies about how I can help you and what the attorney-client relationship means to me and hopefully what it'll mean to you. First of all, I view the attorney-client relationship as a team or cooperative relationship. It's a process of sharing information and generating momentum so that whatever the issue is, whatever the problem is, if I can help you with it, we get together and we form solutions. It's one step at a time. I'm very, very committed to communicating with you on a regular basis and getting you to where you want to go legally and in your business affairs. Whether that's planning in advance for your tax affairs, contractual affairs, or other things, or if there's an issue, how we deal with it, how we get together, and how we resolve the problem. What's interesting about the attorney-client relationship, and this is very important, is that it's what's called a fiduciary relationship. That means that I must act in your best interests. Whatever information you give me is confidential and privileged, and every action that I take, everything that I do, and every step that I make for you has to be in your best interests. That's always at the forefront of my mind and defines my level of service to you. Now, this is very unlike somebody you might hire, such as a realtor or somebody of that nature, who might do an excellent job and work very hard for you and serve your interests, but by law or by ethics is not necessarily required in the same way and to the same degree as act for you and only for you. This means that I disclose everything to you, even things that you might not want to hear at times, if it's in your best interests. Another thing I want to point out are the issue of fees. The legal profession has not done a very good job of making law accessible to all. Now, good advice is worth paying for, and sometimes it does cost. However, something that's very important to me is working with you in a way that makes economic sense. This means that whenever possible, I try and get away from the hourly billing model, which leaves a certain level of uncertainty whenever I can, and try and give you at least an estimate or not to exceed or flat rate. Sometimes matters require billable rates, but again, I want a good result for you. The more you cooperate with me, the more you communicate with me, the easier I am to provide excellent service at a reasonable cost. Third, I'd like to just point out that the attorney-client relationship is one of trust, of partnership, and this is something that I will strive for in my relationship with you. Thank you.